Every single day, we copy things. Text, links, passwords, images, phone numbers, addresses. We copy something, paste it once, and then it's gone forever when we copy something new. So what do? We switch tabs. We open the same website again. We search the same message. We retype the same information. It feels like a small thing, but when you do this every day, while working, studying, or browsing, it quietly wastes a lot of time. Now here's the crazy part. What if I told you, your Windows laptop already has a built-in feature that remembers everything you copy? No apps, no downloads, no extensions, no setup. It's already there, and almost nobody uses it. It's called Clipboard History. Let me show you how it works. On your Windows keyboard, press Windows key plus V. That's it. If it's your first time using it, you'll see a small pop-up that says, Turn on. Just click Turn on. And now something powerful just happened. From this moment on, every time you copy something, text, links, screenshots, even small images, Windows saves it automatically. Not just the last thing you copied, but a whole list of them. Now press Windows plus V again. Boom! You'll see all your previous copied items. Just click any one of them, and it gets pasted instantly. No more opening the same website again, searching your chat history, retyping long text, asking someone to resend a link. Everything is right there. And this is extremely useful if you work with documents, send a lot of emails, chat with clients, study and take notes, copy product links, or write the same responses again and again. Let me give you some real examples. Imagine you always send the same email signature, business introduction, WhatsApp reply, Shopee product link, Google Drive link. Normally you would open old messages, find the text, copy again, then paste. But with Clipboard History, you copy it once, then reuse it anytime, even hours later, even after copying other things in between. And here's another powerful feature. You can pin important items. This means they will never disappear, even if you restart your computer. Here's how. Press Windows plus V. Find the item you want to keep. Click the three dots. Then click Pin. Now that text or link is saved permanently. You can create your own mini library of email templates, frequently used messages, important links, study notes, work instructions, all without installing anything, just using what Windows already gives you. Now think about this. If this feature saves you just 5 minutes a day, that's 150 minutes a month, more than 2 hours, every single month. And most people don't even know it exists. They struggle, while the solution is already on their keyboard. So today, after watching this video, try just one thing. Press Windows plus V. Turn it on. Use it once or twice. I promise you, after a few days, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. And if you like simple tech tips like this, that actually save time and make life easier, make sure to check out the other videos on this channel, because there are many more hidden features that most people never use, but should. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.